right, so this is a room tour of the signature suite, room 108 here at Hilton Galveston Island Resort. A very nice room, as you can see. All right, so let me just turn around so you can see. If when you first walk in, you have this little entranceway here with a table and picture decor. Okay, and then over here to the right, where Leroy is, you have like a little kitchenette with a desk and 4 chairs. Got drinks. And then back here, excuse me, we have a microwave, we have a sink. In here you have a trash can. You have 2 little cubby holes and a refrigerator. Here's your little coffee station. Okay. And then once we get to the living area here, very nice. So you have a little side table here. You have 4 little stools. You have your love seat. You have another table here with 2 chairs. Here's your lamp. A door, which, hold on, we'll get there. And then here's your television. Okay. And to the left, you have this door that takes you out. And this balcony area is you have your table, chairs, 4 more chairs, and the pool area. And then here, you pull up here, and then you can go out to the pool area, which you have access to basically from your room. So very, very nice. Ooh, it's nice out, baby. All right, let's go.
When you walk out of the gate, to the right is the hot tub, which was absolutely wonderful after walking around Galveston all day. This pool is a party piece of this resort. It is heated to a comfortable temperature, and the hours are from 8 a.m. to midnight. As you can see, this pool area is absolutely massive. You know what they say, everything is bigger in Texas, right? There's also a swim-up bar with a lot of options for drinks. We each had a strawberry margarita, which were absolutely delicious. And as you can see, there are ample lounge seating options around the water, so you won't have any issues picking a seat. You also can rent private cabanas for shade and extra comfort. And if you're hungry, waiters can bring you food directly to your lounge chair. You can order light meals and fresh items. Overall, the atmosphere, it's relaxed, tropical, and the vibe is absolutely amazing. Even with the beach being right across the street from the pool, I literally could just chill here all day. That's how immaculate it was.
Let's go back in and show you the rest. Back in. All right. Let's go back to the living room and into the bedroom. So here's the bedroom. Very nice. Nice king size bed. We have a nightstand here. Phone, remote. All right. Here's your console and your television. Okay, refrigerator. Okay, you have glasses, you have water, ice bucket, and then drawers, which I won't be using, but trash can, lamp, a stool for luggage, which I don't know if I'll be using. You have the AC, which you could probably hear in this video. You have another nightstand here. Very, very nice. I love the floor. You can tell this is nice and updated. Look at that floor. Nice and updated. Okay. And then here, you have a desk. And mirror. Hello. Hello, beautiful people. All right. Let's see. Here is a closet. We have a safe, comforter, handheld steamer, robes, ironing board. Okay. And back here is the iron. Okay. And another door to go out. And here's the bathroom. Let's go in here real quick. Okay, at the bottom you have all of your towels. your tissue, your toilet. Okay, here's your counter. Okay, you have a shower cap, mending kit, makeup remover wipes so that you don't get makeup on their pillows. You have 2 wipes. You have soap, a comb, vanity pad. What's that? You have your tissues, and then your lotion. A big mirror here. Hello, beautiful people. A picture here, and here's the shower. Okay. Let's take a look at the shower. We got a towel here. We have shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. Get up close. We got a little bit of scum. It's a little bit of scum. And there's the knobs. All right. So what are your first impressions of this room?
It's really spacious.
Yeah, it is spacious, isn't it?
It's very spacious.
You said it's spacious and what, boo?
It's very spacious, and I like the fact that I can just go out to the pool without having to go out of...
Leave the room, go down, up, back, forth. You can access the pool straight from your balcony. This is a very nice room. What I like about it is it's nice and clean. The floors and everything is up to date. A lot of times in these hotels,
they're really dated.
The decor, well, depending on the hotel. But it looks like things are up to date here.
I actually didn't expect the signature suite to be on the first floor. Normally, when you get a suite, it's usually on the highest floor of the building. But this is the very first time I had a suite on the very first floor of the building. So it kind of threw me for a loop, but I'm not complaining.
Very nice. I want to get in the pool, and Leroy wants to do some other things. So we will see. One thing I would like to add is that the bathroom is very small. It would be nice if it were just a tad bit bigger, especially for this to have been a suite. When you're in the bathroom, you have to maneuver around just to shut the door, because when you open the door, that takes up a big portion of the bathroom, as you can see in this image. And if they would have made the bathroom bigger, they could have also probably done something like a garden tub. It would have definitely made the experience in this room a lot better. But overall, it was a wonderful room. The only con was the size of the bathroom. Now, keep in mind, we will monitor the room tonight, and whatever we find, we'll come back and let you know. If we don't come back, then we didn't have any issues. But that is our room tour, and we will see you in our next Non-Stop Adventure. Bye.